Indoda must have impatho. Indoda must not be abusive. Sengishilo.
Yazi labantu abathanda indoda must abe nemoto ne-sunroof, indoda must smell nice, indoda must have money, indoda kodwa masibuka ubaba wakho ngathi akumastekanga. Ngathi akumastekanga kahle kubaba wakho nakumfana wakini. Kodwa mina indoda must drive a Range Rover, iphi Range Rover yababa wakho. Ngathi akumastekanga nje kubaba wakho. Yazi indoda must have inkani, indoda must have i-background, black backbone, must have J, ibe indoda.
Personally, I think indoda must be able to love, must be able to provide and give you sense of security and abe ne-added value. So mazofika empilweni yakho angazi ukwenza impilo yakho ibe miserable. A-aid yabo kube mnandi, and obviously I don't want to sound shallow, but indoda must have money.
Yabona lezi zinto zenizondoda must. Let me tell you something. Indoda must have money, nothing else.
Yo, what's up? My name is Heezy from GFAM 3 to 6 GFAM Drive. Indoda must take care of his mental health. Don't be afraid, go see a therapist. That's a good thing to do.
Hi, I think indoda must protect, indoda must love, indoda must support.
Hi, my name is Colin Zondo. Indoda must have money. So that izokwazi ukubhekelela nedingo zomndeni wayo. Nokuthi futhi ke indoda must protect abantu besifazane nezingane.
What's up, what's good? It's your boy DJ Flair, FM's finest. Yazi ngiyanizwa nithi indoda must give imali to imama yayo nani. Yazi mina ngicabangani? Indoda must be umZulu mfethu. Hey, ayikho into emnandi njengoba umZulu. Hey, cabanga uvuka ngenhlapu, udla inhloko mfethu, ukwazi ukuthi uthathe nesithembu in. Did I even say that? But anyway, indoda must be umZulu. Shout out.
Indoda must have clean hands.
Sure, mfethu, this is Linda Mbatho FM. So, let me ukuthi na indoda must. I think indoda kumele ikwazi ukunakekela, iprovide, ihloniphe, ingahlukumezi. So, indoda ke lekuthiwa must na izinto kumele izenze. Yeah.
No, indoda kumele igqoke kahle, indoda funa ibe clean, indoda funa ibe nenjobo.
Hi, for me, I think indoda must just be responsible. There's nothing that's more attractive than a responsible man. Ukunuka kahle nokugqoka kahle comes after, but a responsible man is an attractive man.
Indoda must be accountable.
Hi, igama uSimtho akadladla. I believe indoda must provide for a family and people nje around leyo ndoda to support and make sure ukuthi nabo ba safe. Ngiyabonga.